and Missoula. The area is about 5,610 feet above sea level, and it's known for being the coldest area in the United States except for Alaska. In 1954, a low temperature of -70 was recorded. If you're planning to visit this area during the winter, you'd better bundle up warm. It doesn't take long to develop frostbite and hypothermia during the winter months. Number 2. Stanley, Idaho. Stanley is located in Custer County, Idaho, and the population of the town is 63. That could be due to the extremely cold winters and the fact that most people just can't handle the blistering cold. There is an alpine subarctic climate in this area, which means that there are warm summers and then very cold winters. The reason it gets so cold in Stanley is that the town is located in a protected valley and the cold air gets trapped in the valley from the surrounding mountains. The lowest temperature recorded in the area was 0 degrees. The wind chill factor, though, can make it feel a whole lot colder. Number 3. Mount McKinley, Alaska. Mount McKinley is also known as Denali. It is the highest mountain peak in North America, with the summit elevation being 20,310 feet above sea level. The peak is the coldest area, and it's located in the Alaskan Range. The center is part of the Denali National Park and Preserve. The lowest recorded temperature was -22.9 degrees, with wind chills that brought the temperature down to -59.2 degrees. If you're planning to climb this portion of the mountain, dress warmly. The low temperatures in this area can be deadly. Number 4. Fort Selkirk, Canada. Fort Selkirk was once a trading post where the Pelly River and the Yukon River meet. Today it's considered a historic site. One of the reasons this area was abandoned was when the Klondike Highway bypassed the area, causing the traffic to slow down there. Another reason was the extremely cold conditions in the area. The lowest temperatures ever recorded were -74 degrees. Today, you can't get to the area by road. You have to take a boat or a plane to get there. This is likely why so few people live there. Number 5. Snag, Yukon. Snag is a small village on the dry side of the east of Beaver Creek, Yukon, Canada. The lowest recorded temperature in the area was -81.4 degrees. According to the most recent census, the population of this area is 0. Probably because of the extreme cold and the horrible weather conditions during the winter. It may be the dry side of the area, however, when there is snow in Snag, it can take months for the snow to melt and the area to thaw. Number 6. Oymyakon, Russia. Most people know that Russia is a cold place. Oymyakon is one of the coldest places in Russia. It's located about 18 miles northeast of Tantor, which is along the Kolyma Highway. This is one of the coldest inhabited places on Earth. According to the 2011 census, there are 500 people living in Oymyakon. The lowest temperature recorded in the area was 90 degrees below zero. Temperatures this low have only been recorded in Antarctica. Kinda makes you wonder how the 500 residents are able to survive in such cold conditions. Number 7. North Ice, Greenland. What an appropriate name! North Ice is a research station located in North Greenland. The station belongs to the British North Greenland Expedition. The station is at an altitude of 7,680 feet above sea level. The lowest temperature was 87 degrees below zero, which is the lowest temperature ever recorded in North America. Today, the station is abandoned, and it has been for decades. The expedition began in 1952 and it was shut down in 1954. The winters in this area are so cold that being outdoors for just 5 minutes can result in hypothermia, frostbite, and even death. Number 8. Verkhoyansk, Russia. Verkhoyansk is located in the Sakha Republic, Russia, near the Yana River and the Arctic Circle. According to a 2010 census, there were 1,311 people living in the area. The lowest temperature ever recorded in this area was -93.6 degrees. It holds the Guinness World Record as the greatest temperature range of 189 degrees. Number 9. Ismet, Greenland. This area is often referred to as Mid-Ice Esmet. It was the site of an expedition that took place between July 1930 and August 1931. During the expedition, a German scientist named Alfred Wegener died due to the extreme cold. The coldest temperature ever recorded was 53 degrees below in the Northern Hemisphere. The average temperature during the winter in this area is -22 degrees. It's likely the reason that so few people live in the area. It's almost impossible to handle any outdoor tasks during the winter as the cold temperatures can be deadly. Number 10. Vostok, Antarctica. Of the top 10 coldest places in the world, Vostok is the coldest. Vostok is home to the Russian research station located along the Princess Elizabeth Land. The station was built in 1957 and it is currently abandoned. The research station was originally designed for ice core drilling. The lowest temperature ever recorded in the area is -128 degrees. This is likely why the area is completely abandoned today. Subscribe for more.